Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car Intro. The Lucid Air has already made waves in the electric vehicle world, and for 2025, it's taking things to an entirely new level. With cutting-edge technology, insane performance, and a luxury experience that challenges the biggest names in the game, this F isn't just about sustainability, it's about redefining what a high-performance sedan can be. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Lucid Air, covering everything from its breathtaking power to its next-gen interior and the game-changing tech that makes it one of the most advanced Fs on the market today. Let's start with what makes the 2025 Lucid Air stand out: its performance. This isn't just another electric sedan, it's a hypercar in disguise. Depending on the trim you choose, the Lucid Air can deliver anywhere from 480 to over 1,200 horsepower. The base model, the Lucid Air Pure, offers a still impressive 480 horsepower and comes in a rear-wheel drive configuration. But the real magic happens as you move up the lineup. The Lucid Air Touring brings 620 horsepower, while the Grand Touring bumps things up to 819 horsepower. Then, of course, there's the big boss of the Lucid Air Sapphire. With a staggering 1,234 horsepower, the Sapphire isn't just fast for an F, it's one of the fastest production cars in the world. 0 to 60, the Sapphire does it in under 2 seconds. That's hypercar territory, putting it in direct competition with the Tesla Model S Plaid and even some of the fastest gasoline-powered supercars ever made. And while performance numbers are fun, what really makes the Lucid Air special is how it delivers this power. Lucid's advanced dual and tri-motor configurations don't just provide speed, they deliver an unparalleled level of control and stability. The Air uses torque vectoring and advanced suspension technology to make sure all that power translates to real-world performance without sacrificing comfort. Now, let's talk range, because this is where Lucid has set itself apart from almost every other F brand. The 2025 Lucid Air continues to lead the pack in efficiency, with some trims offering over 500 miles of range on a single charge. Yes, you heard that right, 500 miles. That's more than many gasoline-powered cars can manage on a full tank. Even the lower-end models provide well over 400 miles, making range anxiety a thing of the past. A big part of this efficiency comes from Lucid's proprietary battery technology. The company has developed one of the most energy-dense battery packs in the industry, allowing them to achieve these impressive numbers without making the car excessively heavy. Pair that with one of the best aerodynamics in the F world, a drag coefficient as low as 0.197 and you've got a car that maximizes every bit of energy it consumes. Charging speeds are equally impressive. Thanks to its 900 volts electrical architecture, the Lucid Air can add up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes using a fast charger. That's quicker than most road trip snack breaks. Lucid's partnership with various charging networks also ensures that drivers have easy access to fast chargers across the country, making long-distance travel effortless. But performance and range aren't the only things that make the Lucid Air stand out. It's also a masterclass in luxury and technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that rivals the best from Mercedes, Bentley, and Rolls-Royce. Every material feels premium, with options ranging from high-end leather to sustainable fabrics and wood trims sourced responsibly. Lucid isn't just focused on luxury, it's pushing the boundaries of what an interior should be in a modern F. One of the most striking features is the massive glass canopy, a panoramic roof that extends from the windshield all the way to the rear, creating an open and airy feel inside. This, combined with soft ambient lighting and meticulous attention to detail, makes the cabin feel like a high-tech lounge. The seats are not only incredibly comfortable but also packed with features like heating, ventilation, and even massage functions on higher trims. Rear passengers also get a first-class experience, with reclining seats and a surprising amount of legroom thanks to Lucid's clever packaging. tech is another area where the Lucid Air truly shines. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the stunning 34-inch floating glass cockpit display, which seamlessly blends the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and vehicle controls into one elegant interface. The software running the system is fast, intuitive, and packed with features, including over-the-air updates that ensure your car keeps getting better over time. Lucid has also integrated Amazon Alexa for voice control, allowing drivers to adjust settings, control navigation, or even manage smart home devices with simple voice commands. And of course, there's full smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium 21-speaker surreal sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. On the driver assist front, the Lucid Air comes equipped with an advanced suite of safety features under the Lucid DreamDrive system. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and even level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in select regions. The car's sensor suite is one of the most advanced on the market, featuring high-resolution cameras, radar, and LiDAR to create a 360-degree view of the surroundings. But let's talk about design, because the Lucid Air is one of the sleekest and most futuristic-looking sedans out there. Its aerodynamic shape isn't just for show, it plays a huge role in efficiency and performance. The front end is defined by slim, high-tech micro-lens array LED headlights, while the rear sports a continuous light bar that gives it a signature look at night. The minimalist yet aggressive styling sets it apart from the competition, striking a perfect balance between elegance and sportiness. Customization options are also plentiful. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior configurations to make their Lucid Air feel truly personal. And for those who want to take exclusivity to the next level, Lucid offers special edition models with unique styling elements and performance enhancements. Now, what about pricing? The 2025 Lucid Air starts at around $80,000 for the base pure model, but if you want the full Sapphire experience, you're looking at a price tag well over $250,000. While that might sound steep, keep in mind that this car competes with the likes of the Porsche Taycan Turbo S and Mercedes EQS, and in many ways, it offers more for the money. Plus, with federal and state incentives, the effective price could be lower depending on where you live. So, who is the 2025 Lucid Air for? If you're someone who wants the cutting edge of F technology, the longest range available, and a level of luxury that rivals the best in the business, this car should be at the top of your list. Whether you're a speed enthusiast looking for mind-blowing acceleration or a road tripper who values long-range comfort, Lucid has built something that checks all the boxes. The F market is evolving fast, and Lucid is proving that it's not just another star chupu, it's a serious contender in the luxury and performance space. The 2025 Lucid Air isn't just an electric